In today's video, I'm going to show you how to track visitor analytics on your Wix website, so you can understand exactly how people are finding your site, what they're doing when they arrive, and how your traffic is behaving in real time. Wix has powerful built-in analytics tools, and the best part is, you don't need to install anything extra to get started. If you want to make better decisions, improve your content, and grow your website smarter, this is something you definitely want to learn. And before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy website and software guides. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to wix.com. Once you're on the Wix website, log in using the account that manages your website. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Wix dashboard. This dashboard is your control center, where you manage your site, edit content, and view performance data. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you'll see a menu with different options. From here, click on Analytics. This will open up Wix Analytics, which gives you detailed insights into how visitors interact with your site. Once the Analytics section loads, you'll see an overview of your site's performance, including traffic, sessions, and engagement. Now, to see what's happening on your site right now, click on Real Time. The Real Time Analytics section is extremely useful because it shows live data about current visitors on your website. You can see how many people are active, which pages they're viewing, and where they're coming from. This is perfect if you've just launched a campaign, posted on social media, or sent out an email and want to see immediate results. Next, within the Real-Time Analytics area, click on Traffic. The Traffic section helps you understand where your visitors are coming from. Here, you'll be able to see whether people are finding your site through search engines, social media, direct links, or referrals from other websites. This information is incredibly valuable because it tells you which marketing channels are working best for your website. After reviewing your traffic sources, click on Behavior. The Behavior section shows how visitors interact with your site once they arrive. You can see which pages they visit the most, how long they stay on each page, and how they move from one page to another. This helps you identify popular content, spot problem pages where visitors might be leaving, and improve your site's overall user experience. By regularly checking your Wix Analytics, you can make data-driven decisions to improve your website's design, content, and marketing strategy. You'll know what's working, what's not, and where to focus your efforts for better results. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to track visitor analytics on your Wix website using Wix's built-in tools. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Wix tutorials and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.